hair. I know people be trying to say that they have 4C hair and then you look at their curl pattern and it's giving this loose wave. Yeah, no. I really have 4C hair, so. Genius? Where my edge brush at? Is this girl new? Is this girl new to the wig?
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's another wig review. I know you guys like wig reviews. I like to do wig reviews. I love switching up my hair. Like, me and switching my hair, we're just like a match made in heaven, like, period. Today's video is sponsored by Youth Beauty Hair. Thank you so much, Youth Beauty, for sending me this unit and for sponsoring today's video. Today I'm doing another headband wig. I know y'all are gonna come for my neck because I was team no headband. Like, there was a point in time when I literally was like against headband wigs. I was like, no, why would companies bring that out? And then I tried one and I was like, I saw the light. Like, I was like, this is genius. Like, why didn't I think about this? If you would like to see this headband review, this headband wig review, then definitely keep watching. Before we get into today's video, definitely, if this is your first time seeing me here on the YT, don't forget to subscribe, join the Core Crew family here, because I do almost everything on this channel. Like, I do wig reviews like today's video, I do makeup reviews, vlogs, try-on hauls, perfume collections, like literally the list goes on and on. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed, okay? Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video. Oh my gosh, I literally said in my last, I think my second to last video, I was like, I wanted to start doing shout outs. So let me go do my shout out real quick. Today's Core Crew shout out is Tiana De Laurentiis. Hey girl, hey, thank you so much for watching my Brienne Melted Hairline Collection review. If you want to be the next Core Crew shout out, definitely leave me a comment down below. Tell me what's your thoughts on headband wigs, and yeah, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so like I said, Youth Beauty Hair sent me this headband wig. I like browsed their site and I was like, you know what, let me try this. So first things first, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is so cute. Like, it comes in this silk satin like bag. It has their logo on it, youthbeauty.com, Youth Beauty Hair Collection. The logo's right here on the back and it's also on the front. Also, this is a great segue because I always get questions like, how do you store your wigs, things like that. And to be honest, sometimes I don't, like, sometimes I just throw them in my closet, like, or I keep them in their box. But what I have been wanting and slash starting to do is purchasing like bags like this, like ones that I can hang up in my closet next to like a dress or whatever, and it's in a silk satin bag so that the hair is protected. So points to Youth Beauty for their packaging, because this is literally how I will store my wigs. It's just like, it goes perfect in your closet. You can just hang it up like a dress, like a shirt, you know what I'm saying? So I really was impressed with this. I love the packaging. So when you open it up, it's literally like a garment bag for your wigs, which is so cute. So there's little clips on the top of it that you can like hang your wig onto. In this package, it comes with your headband wig. I picked up the 20-inch natural color loose wave headband wig, so we'll see what the hair texture is looking like and what's it giving. This one is a loose wave, but I also have done a review on a kinky straight wig if you're interested. A straight wig, like a straight headband wig, and also a kinky curly type of headband wig. So I wanted to try a different texture today, so that's why I picked up the loose wave. I'm excited to see what it looks like. Also, it comes with a wig cap, so that's super handy. And then it also comes with two headbands. So it came with this really pretty like blue one, and then it also came with this cheetah one. So usually though, with my headband wigs, I usually just use the attached headband wig because I'm usually almost always wearing black. Maybe since I'm wearing brown today, I might put on the cheetah. Like, that's cute. All right, let's open her up. So like I said, I picked her up. I wanted the 22 inches, but they were out of stock, so I had to get the 20. So we'll see what this is giving. I just know that like with curly units, the hair, like, it'll say it's 20 inches, but since there's like shrinkage and stuff like that, it's a bit shorter. So once you take off the hairnet, oh my gosh, this curl pattern, so pretty, like so pretty. Let's put her on. So first things first, I'm just gonna secure her in the back, attach the Velcro in the back, push the hair back. You see how like fast it is to put on a headband wig? Like literally, wow. I'm not gonna lie, I love this texture. So here is the hair straight out. I kind of don't even want to wet her just because I kind of like the hair texture, and I feel like it's a nice density. Like I want to just like put my fingers to it just so that it gets a little bit bigger, because I like big hair. Not too big hair, but I do like big hair. Like I'm not gonna front, I like big hair. Wow, this is beautiful, you guys. This loose wave, every time I try a new curly texture, I'm just like, ugh, I love it. Like it's giving like beach hair. Let's try on the headbands, but let me give you guys the full 360, because I know y'all be coming at me when I forget to do a 360. Y'all be like, what the heck, is this girl new? Is this girl new to the wig? Like y'all be coming at my neck. But anyways, here's the side, here's the back, and here's the other side. She's really snug. She comes with a adjustable strap. She comes with 3 combs and also a comb in the back and the Velcro. It's very secure. Like that was also another con or like worry I had about headband wigs, because it just didn't seem like it was too secure, but it is definitely secure. Like your wig is not going anywhere. For real, it's tight on your head. Let me try on the headband. So like I said, I'm gonna do the Cheetah Lash just because I think I'm gonna really like this one. But let me try on this one first. Don't mind it because it's not gonna look like a complete look, because my outfit doesn't go with this headband, but it's still cute. So you guys can see how like you can literally hide the headband, hide the attached headband with other ones. And the fact that it comes in your package is super nice. So this is the Cheetah one. I still kind of prefer just the regular black, but just so you guys can see, I don't know if they all come with this exact 2 headbands, so I'm not sure about that. But in case you do get the cheetah in the blue, this is what it looks like. This curl pattern is so pretty. Like I can't stop putting my fingers through it, which isn't a bad thing because I'm not really getting too many tangles. Like I'm not getting tangles at all. I did get like 2 strands of hair when I was just going through, but I like putting my hands through it because it's getting bigger, which I love. So yeah, this is the other headband. Super cute. All right, let me do my edges real quick. Right for my edges today, and this is literally all I use. It's the Eben 24-hour edge tamer. You guys, this will have your edges looking so good. And like I said, I think I mentioned this before, if I have, like, don't mind me, but if I haven't, or if you're new to my channel, this is like the best edge control for 4C hair. Like I have 4C hair. I know people be trying to say that they have 4C hair, and then you look at their curl pattern and it's giving this loose wave. Yeah, no, I really have 4C hair. So I just did a few baby hairs, and this is the final look.
Working on a weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too.
Alright you guys, so I'm obsessed. Like, I just love this curl pattern. It just looks so good. It's really like natural. It's giving me beach waves. Honestly, I don't have any cons just because like with headband wigs, they're so easy to, you know, finesse and make look cute. Like there's really no cons to it because it just is so easy, which is one of the reasons why I love these types of wigs. Like I just love, I don't know how to describe it. I just love it because it's so easy. It took me like 5 minutes to put it on. There's so many styles you can do. Like, a lot of people might think that because it's a headband wig you can't still achieve styles, and that is not true. You could do a half up, you could do a half down, you could do a ponytail, you could do a bun, and I have a bunch of different styles in my other video, so I'll link that up there if you're looking for how to style your headband wig. But yeah, this wig is just so bomb. I love the curl pattern. I wasn't sure if I would love it as much as I do, but every time I get a headband wig I'm just like, you know what, I need to try a different texture. And I'm so glad that I went with a different texture for this one, because I don't have any like this in my collection. Like, I literally have a straight one, a kinky straight one, and then a kinky curly, but this one is more of like the curls that I want, because as you can see it's getting bigger when I put my hands through it, but it's not getting like super frizzy. I don't feel the need to like re-detangle it and like define the curls, because it's really given effortless. This wig is very lightweight, but at the same time it's not thin. Like, that is very rare. Like, you'll have a wig that's lightweight but it looks like you only have 2 strands, and who has time for that? So yeah, I am in love with this wig. Definitely check out Youth Beauty Hair. If you are interested in this wig, it will be linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Corku family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.